Welcome to Beverly Hills Unique Sports Cars. We have been in business for over 18 years. We have a 5-star rating on Yelp and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau.
Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Smart fortwo. This two-door hatchback has a 2-cylinder engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Smart is a great value with less than 17,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, CD player, anti-lock brakes, power steering, moonroof, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows. Thank you for stopping by. Please call us at 323-935-2985 to schedule a test drive.